take the captain a few moments to taxi the aircraft to the gate. We do ask that you remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely around you until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. And when opening overhead bins, please take extra care. Heavy articles may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of your crew, thank you for choosing American today. Have a pleasant stay in Dallas or wherever you're